It's important to note that widget layouts are based on something called RemoteViews. And this is because the widget is treated as a separate app that runs on the home screen. So, Android uses a remote view object to describe the view hierarchy that will be displayed in another process. As far as we're concerned, a widget layout seems just like any other layout XML. However, remote views have some limitations on what they can support. This means not every view type can be added in a widget layout. So here's a list of all the view types that are supported in a widget. You can see that the most popular basic views are available, but views like constraint layout or recycler views are not. There's also documentation that talks about some of the guidelines when designing a widget, including information about margins and best practices for minimum heights and width. Now back to remote views. Notice that remote views objects contain the entire view hierarchy and not just individual view items. So this means instead of finding individual views using the find view by ID method, like we do for normal layouts, remote views come with some special methods that allow you to directly access and update individual views inside of it. So this includes methods such as setTextViewText, which takes in both the ID for the text view that you want to update, as well as the text you want to display. So even though we see that there are plenty of methods in the remote views class, there are still some limitations. And unfortunately, there are things that you would be able to do with a view object that just aren't available here.